Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by cutting the easy but impactful drains. Update your GPU driver so efficiency improvements apply immediately. Once done, close browsers, Discord, overlays, and recording tools to free GPU cycles. Then make sure your Windows power plan is balanced or power saver so the card won't push full clocks unnecessarily. Next, open Roblox. Enable frame rate cap in settings, or use the built-in graphics slider to drop quality 1 or 2 steps. This reduces workload without killing visuals. Once you're in the middle of tuning, focus on precision. Lower Roblox graphics quality to around 710 or beneath for older cards, because each decrement reduces shader and texture load. Cap your FPS to 30 or 60 using the in-game cap or an external limiter to stop the GPU from burning cycles, rendering unnecessary frames. Transitioning between settings, test both VSync off and on. VSync reduces tearing, but can raise latency or spikes, so pick what stabilizes GPU usage most. Finish by applying advanced controls for sustained savings. Open NVIDIA or AMD panel and set power management mode to adaptive or eco so the GPU downclocks when idle. Lower the game resolution or run in windowed mode to cut render pixel count quickly, which directly lowers GPU load. If you encounter instability after changes, revert to the previous driver or reset Roblox cache and configuration. That troubleshooting step often resolves graphics corruption or sudden high usage spikes without losing your custom.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.